G'day legends, how's it going? Trev here from Trev's Life, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my little trick, or one of my little tricks, to keeping your energy levels up here, keeping your belly feeling healthy, and just overall making you feel really good. Righto gang, so you've had a big weekend, maybe a few too many sherbets, maybe you've been too busy for the last few weeks and you've been relying a lot on takeaway food and belly's not feeling that great. So this is a magic little trick that I do every now and then. Probably should do it every day, but anyway, this is what I do to keep feeling awesome. So, Kale Smoothie. Now, a lot of people say, oh, kale tastes gross. But you know what? One of the little tricks with the kale smoothie is to get rid of that veiny doohickey in the middle. So, all you do, move these out of the way, all you do is just get in there and trim that bad boy there away, because that's where all the bitter taste is. Rightio, so in we go. Just sort of roughly chop up your kale. In she goes. 2 leaves is what I usually do. This should get about 2 or 3 glasses, so you might drink 1 or 2 glasses now and put one in the fridge for later. It's up to you. And as I always ask, don't let Elise know I've been playing with her Thermi mix. Gets a bit touchy about that. Right, kale's in. 2 kale leaves. In with an apple. Now, with commercially bought apples, sometimes they've got wax on it, so just run it under the tap, a little bit of warm water, wash the wax off. But I always keep the skin on because of the fibre content and the flavour. Whack them in. Like so. Alrighty, nothing fancy here, ladies and gentlemen. So there we go, half an apple, and now half an orange, and another car driving past. Oh well, doesn't matter. Hey, when you're chopping up your orange, always get a little bit of the pith in the brew. Because an old wise bloke once said to me, the pith is what helps your body to absorb the vitamin C. So the pith is that white stuff in there. So yeah, just hook in, get a bit of that in there. Beautiful. Alright. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So what do we got? 2 kale leaves, half an apple, half an orange. I always chuck a whole carrot in, because you know what? Carrots are cheap as chips. I think I just picked up a whole kilo for $1.50 or something. So, whack it in. Blueberries. Always like to chuck a bit of blueberry in, give it a bit of sweetness. That is 1/4 cup. In she goes. And what do we got next? Oh, ginger. Now here in Australia, North Queensland, I just paid $27 a kilo for this stuff. So if you can grow it at home, you can save yourself a few bucks. So you get a little piece about that big. Just trim off the skin. You don't want chunks getting stuck in your teeth. Get it out the way. It's a bit woody and fibrous, so yeah, just chop it up a little bit. Alrighty, in she goes. Now, for the liquids, I like to use organic oranges that we buy at our local supermarket. They squeeze them into a bottle. It's a bit expensive, but if you haven't got an orange tree, do that. And so 2 tall glasses of organic, sugar-free orange juice. In she goes. And 1 glass of ice. Now, whack the lid on. Give it a whiz for about 30 seconds in the old Thermi. These things are amazing. I've owned blenders, I've owned juicers. The reason why I'm not using a juicer is because I want the fibre from all the skins and all that, because I'll be drinking that to help gut health and all that sort of stuff. So yes, use the Thermi or a blender, up to you. So 30 seconds, flat out. Truth. That was a little bit too full, a little bit came out. Shh, don't tell Elise. Rightio, let's pour these out and see what she looks like. Righto gang, so that made plenty of juice. Now, they reckon if you drink this straight away it's better than waiting, so let's give it a crack. Oh yeah, you can smell the ginger. I love ginger. If you want to see how much I love ginger, have a look at my homemade ginger beer video. It's got stacks of views so far. But yeah, let's give this a crack. Oh yeah, that's good. Nice and refreshing. Because you put the sweet apple, the sweet orange juice, and the ginger, it takes away that sort of nasty kale taste, and so you get the benefits of the kale without having to really taste it. Let's have another crack. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. So remember gang, you're feeling a bit low in energy, belly's a bit blocked up, whatever it is, get stuck into this for a couple of days, get your body all leveled out, get your energy up again. You know, if you're not eating well, this will put vitamins and stuff in there. I've even gone into the crisper drawer and got bits of broccoli, cauliflower, whatever you want, whack it in, drink it down. Then you're not standing around in the kitchen cooking veggies all afternoon. Right gang, hope you enjoyed the video, and on my next video I'm going to show you guys how to do fermented cabbage, which is sauerkraut, traditionally called sauerkraut. Right gang, see you on the next one. Ta-da.